Kraken App Review 2025. Is it the best crypto exchange? You won't believe how the crypto exchange landscape has changed in 2025. Kraken promises advanced trading features, high security, and wide cryptocurrency selection. But is it really the best choice for investors? The surprising truth is reliability. Most people get this wrong by assuming all exchanges are equally secure or easy to use. Kraken stands out with industry-leading security measures, including two-factor authentication, cold storage for most funds, and regular audits to protect users' assets. One major advantage is versatility. You won't believe what happens next when you see Kraken supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies, margin trading, futures, staking, and even crypto-to-crypto swaps. Beginners and advanced traders alike can find tools suited to their experience level. The app is also highly functional. Real-time charts, price alerts, and a clean, user-friendly interface make managing your portfolio straightforward. Kraken offers educational resources to help users make informed decisions and reduce the risk of costly mistakes. However, there are cons. Trading fees can be higher for smaller accounts, and the verification process may take time, especially for new users. Beginners might find advanced features overwhelming at first, and some regions may face restrictions on certain trading options. In conclusion, Kraken in 2025 is ideal for those seeking a secure, versatile, and fully featured crypto trading platform. While fees and learning curves are factors, the combination of advanced tools, strong security, and broad cryptocurrency support makes Kraken a top choice for both new and experienced investors.